La evolución comenzó al enriquecer productos de uso frecuente con ingredientes herbales para brindar mayor bienestar mediante el uso diario. Lo que diferencia a Gano Excel de otros productos supuestamente saludables es nuestro ingrediente mágico natural, Ganoderma Lucidum, también conocido como reishi, lingshi y gyeonggi. El Ganoderma Lucidum es un hongo sorprendente que ha beneficiado a la humanidad por 4.000 años.
Hello, I am Dr. Alok Nahata and presently working with Gano Excel Industries as Research and Development Manager. I am involved in the phytochemical and pharmacological analysis of Ganoderma and related products, and mostly my work focuses on the extraction, phytochemical screening, phytochemical analysis, chromatographic studies and pharmacological studies regarding Ganoderma and other herbs. What to say, the basic thing in Ganoderma is the antioxidant activity, because antioxidant work on the free radicals generated in our body when these free radicals are produced in our body when we are attacked by some external foreign bodies attack our body, then body is in a stress. So because of that stress, sometimes free radicals are generated, and these free radicals are deleterious to our body and they create a lot of problem. And because Ganoderma is an antioxidant, so it is just like working against these free radicals and providing the body a new life. That's why we say rejuvenative therapy by Ganoderma.
Nuestro fundador, el señor Liao Sun-seng, es un micólogo que dedicó 15 años a la investigación y desarrollo para identificar a los tipos de hongos que mejor brindan bienestar a todo el organismo.
My mission is try to help and to let more people have a chance to at least try the goodness of Ganoderma. But by through the process of fermentation through the mycelium of Ganoderma, after we plant into the polybag, actually they change the whole molecule and turn out to be a very, very good element to help the health of people. That's why I always say these are the givens from the God.
We are having the GMP status and HACCP. We have to make sure that our product is genuine enough, is hygiene, you see? So we have to fulfill, and that's why we have to using this method in terms of growing, and in the sense of controlling the healthiest growth of Ganoderma is very effective. We are the one who create this method. We have been certified by our authority, organic farming.
I know if I can put together the Ganoderma water soluble extract into the coffee, there might be a chance for me to recommend or introduce the goodness of Ganoderma to the Western, and we come up with the first company in Malaysia and even in the world come up with Ganoderma, putting the Ganoderma extract into the coffee, and that's why we are here today.
I just thought by using the coffee, because I am a coffee drinker, why not I put the Ganoderma extract into the coffee. But after I introduced to it, a lot of people say that I am genius. But I don't know.
I would agree with that.
But I don't know whether it's genius or not. But at that time, I didn't have that thought at all. Try to find the most easiest promoted product to introduce to the whole world. That is just my thinking. Why not? The taste of the bitterness of Ganoderma extract is very suitable for coffee. You know? That's great. Those ideas.
Because my wish is to share the product to the people, that they have the opportunity to have a chance to take our product and they realize the goodness of Ganoderma.
¿Quién es Gano Excel? Gano Excel introdujo el Ganoderma Lucidum al mundo. Tenemos la plantación 100% orgánica más grande del mundo.
So we can grow Ganoderma every day and we can harvest every day. You see? That's why we normally just take 3 months to grow the Ganoderma. When we can grow it in a 3 months time, it means that a lot of spore is still inside. That's why our product quality is so good. That is the difference. If you want to choose a right Ganoderma company, make sure they have their own plantation and make sure they have their own manufacturer.